150 sentences for beginners. Jane likes apples. Simple past. Jane liked apples. Negative. Jane didn't like apples. Yes/no question. Did Jane like apples? WH question. What did Jane like? Tag question. Jane liked apples, didn't she? She has a cat. Simple past. She had a cat. Negative. She didn't have a cat. Yes/no question. Did she have a cat? WH question. What did she have? Tag question. She had a cat, didn't she? He is my friend. Simple past. He was my friend. Negative. He wasn't my friend. Yes/no question. Was he my friend? WH question. Who was he? Tag question. He was my friend, wasn't he? The sun is hot. Simple past. The sun was hot. Negative. The sun wasn't hot. Yes/no question. Was the sun hot? WH question. How was the sun? Tag question. The sun was hot, wasn't it? They go to school. Simple past. They went to school. Negative. They didn't go to school. Yes/no question. Did they go to school? WH question. Where did they go? Tag question. They went to school, didn't they?